Hello everyone, I'm Subhrajit Sahoo, Assistant Professor in Narsimha Engineering College. In the series of Python programming language, I was discussing the dictionary data type, and prior to this video, I've already covered two videos. In the two videos, some basic about the dictionary data types I've already discussed. Today, today what topic I'm going to discuss here? Same dictionary I will be continuing, and here uh, we are discussing about how to access the element of a dictionary. So several techniques, several methods we have discussed in the previous videos. One more method was pending, that is dictionary view object. Dictionary view object. Through this technique also we can access the element from a dictionary, and again it is categorized into three types. One is key object. We can display or read the key object, and value object, values keys, and one more is items object. Okay, sir, what do you mean by key, values, items? All these things I will tell. Suppose I have a dictionary d equal to 1 is to 10, 2 is to 20, and 3 is to 30. This is three elements available. So here 1, 2, 3 are called key, and this 10, 20, and 30 are called values, right? So this is a mapping type. So this is key and this is value. So for key 1 value is 10, key 2 value is 20, and key 3 value is 30, right? So this is called key views. This is called key views, and this one is called values views. And item view means the corresponding key with the corresponding values is called item views, right? This is called item views. So from the dictionary, one item, it indicates that its key corresponding its values, and keys views means only keys, and values views means only values. But item views means the corresponding key with the particular key with the corresponding values will be treated as items. Sir, how can I do this one? Through the programmatic programs I will tell you. Observe carefully. Suppose I have a dictionary d equal to bracket start. Suppose Naresh, suppose he's getting salary 50,000, and one more is suppose Suresh. Okay, Suresh, and he's getting salary suppose 60,000, and one more I am taking suppose Hari, right? Single quote or double quote you have to write, string type, and that's why. And suppose he is getting salary 54,000, whatever it may be value, I'm taking this one. So this is a dictionary, which in this dictionary which information are particular person and their salaries has been means entered here. So what is the d value? D value is this one. What I will do, if I will write here d dot keys, see what printed, all the keys are printed: Naresh, Suresh, and Hari. This is called key views. How to print key views? Dictionary name dot keys method I have to call. Similarly, d dot values, okay, d dot values, it will display all the values: 50,000, 60,000, and 54,000. Like this it is going to be displayed, right? And also I can use the for loop also for displaying the keys value, or displaying the values here available here. How can I? Suppose I will write here k equal to d dot keys, right? That means whatever this keys, it is stored in this k, right? See, what is the k value? See, k value is printed, but I want individual, so for loop I will use for x in k. Okay, for x in k, that means this Naresh will be assigned to x, then Suresh will be assigned to x. For loop, it will be repeated until until all iterations will be covered. Hari will be assigned to x. And what I am writing here, print x. Okay, print x. Observe here what printed, Naresh, Suresh, Hari, and printed. So like this also we can display, we can um, display the contents of the key. Similarly, suppose values v equal to d dot values. Okay, d dot values, not value. Yes, you have to use. Now, what is the v values? V values are for loop also we can use for x in v print x, right? So all the values will be printed. Sir, can I find the total salary, total amount of these three employees? Yes, simple. What I will write? Sum of, okay, sum of, or print, right here, print sum function you have to use, sum of v. All the values has been stored in which variable? V variable. Already in the previously I have written. So here observe, total salary is 1,64,000. In this way we can access the keys and values from a dictionary by using key object and values object, right? Similarly, items also I can items means the combination of key and corresponding values. Suppose what is my d value, sir? D value is this one. I'm writing here d dot items. Okay, d dot items. Now see, all the combinations, the key corresponding values has been displayed. Key corresponding values has been displayed here. Also I can use the for loop also here. Here in the previous case for loop, here I have taken only one variable x. In the key case also only one variable, here also x. Why? Because it is contain Naresh, Suresh, Hari, one items, one value. So each time Naresh first assigned to x, then Suresh will be assigned to x, and Hari will be assigned to x, and correspondingly I'm printing the x values. Similarly, here also 50,000 assigned to x, 60,000 assigned to x, 54,000 assigned to x, then it is printed. Now, but in this case, in the item case, two values are there. Naresh is there and 50,000 is there. This is one element, one item. Suresh is there, 60,000 is there. Hari is there, 54,000 is there. So in the for loop, two variable is required. So for x comma y. Why sir two variable? Because for Naresh x I have used, and for 50,000 this values y I have used. In okay, I have not written the first. I'll write here. So I equal to, suppose, d dot items, right? I equal to d dot items. Now see, I will use this one. So I will write the for loop also we can use for x comma y. Two variable is required because this item contains key as well as value, corresponding values. So two variable must in I. Okay, then print x comma y. Two value. So x comma y print, and means corresponding x value and y value will be printed. See here, printed or not? Naresh 50,000, Suresh 60,000, and Hari also printed 54,000. Like this, we can use this dictionary view object to access the elements present inside the list. Okay, so what is the, this is about the how to access all the elements from the dictionary. Several methods we discussed. What is the next topic, sir? Next topic is how to add element to the dictionary. How to add element, how to add element or items items or items to a dictionary. Okay, so in the next video I will discuss this topic, how to add elements to the dictionary. So till then, take care and bye.